Daniel's here from Teslica.
Hi.
So we're looking at the Purity, and you know, visually, when this is compared to all the other mountain bikes, it stands out in a wonderful way. Like the cleanness, you can just tell that this is our premium brand. And so I wanted Daniel to come and talk a little bit more about it, but I also wanted to show you what a 6'4" human looks like on this, because I actually prejudged it and thought that it would be too small for somebody this tall, and I was wrong. I think I could fit on this.
Oh yeah.
Let's see. Oh, excuse me. That is my husband, so it's okay.
I wouldn't do that.
No. I might blush. Anyways.
Yeah, so even 5'8", as we said, able to fit on there, no problem, and you're pretty comfortable. You're not reaching too much, right?
Yeah, but I see what you mean. Maybe 5'6", because I feel like I'm reaching a little bit much. So just I like to show sizes in real time. So Loesch, we'll put you back on there. Okay.
So with this bike here, as I was saying earlier, it's more of a performance bike, right? You're not buying it for comfort per se. You're really over those handlebars, nice and aggressive, so that you can get a good feel for the road. Not that you will feel it with suspension, but you can easily turn that wheel because you're over, right? Mm-hmm. And you can get control of that steering column because you are focused and on top of that front wheel, right? As opposed to more of a comfort bike, like the section right behind me here, where you're sitting upright. And you're a lot more comfortable and a lot more leisurely on a bike. With this one here, it's really all about that biking experience.
That helps. That helps a lot, because when somebody's sitting in this in the showroom, are you immediately going to feel comfortable?
Not necessarily.
Not necessarily. Right? This is for our trail, exactly. You know, the conservation forest and stuff, and doing some serious maneuvering. So that's awesome. We've sold a number of these. We just want to have it right from Teslica's mouth, because they say it best.
Well, thank you.
Perfect.